Hey YouTube, this is Farm on 51 here. Having to stop here side the road here. Sorry I left the truck running. Come across the International Backhoe here. It's a 3500. And Dad told me this is was a popular size, so but it's got a heavy duty front axle. I'm not sure what size the engine is. I'll have to look that up, but if not, I'll post it later on a little side note here. But it's really not in that bad a shape, from what I can tell. It's even got a front weight rack. Bucket looks pretty nice. Might need a cutting edge on it, but yeah, I've only seen 2 of these that I know of. I've seen them in pictures and books and stuff, but I've never come across one. This is actually the first one I ever got to come up close to. So, but yeah, you see it's International, and it's a 3500. I don't know if you can read that too good. 3500 B series. Or is that a 6? That may be a 6 series, but yeah, you can see. I'm not quite sure. I don't see a number. I can't see a number on the side, but it's a diesel. It's not that bad a shape. Got the shuttle shift transmission on it. I'm not sure what tractor this equals. Comes close to 444. It's an industrial, but I can't. Let me see. I don't know that much about these. I hadn't read that much about them either. So if y'all can give me a little insight on it, that'll be great. Dad did tell me that this is an older series. This has the 4 sticks to operate the boom and all back here. So he said the later ones had they went to the 2 sticks, like the modern day backhoes and stuff. So of course the ones they got today has the joysticks on them. So, but see, we got the roll cage on it, and if you can see right here, you can see the transmission, and you can see the covers where the PTO would have went. A lot of the industrial tractors, they cover all that up, the PTO. So I'm guessing this might be a 444, 544, somewhere around there. I'm not sure why. I think the outriggers might be leaking down. That's why he's got them chained up, maybe. But I don't really see any scarring on any of the cylinders that I can tell. Bucket's a little wore. Dad said Dad told me they were popular machines in their day. Real strong. Of course, not as strong as the ones they got now, but the tires a little slack there. But I don't see the owner here, so we're not going to be able to crank it up or anything like that. But it's a nice machine. It'd be a nice one to have. Sure love to have it. I think it wants a little bit much for it, about 8,500. So let's see. But all right, YouTube. Thought I'd show you this. Be a nice one to have, but don't think I'm gonna be buying this one. Alright, well, we'll talk to you later. Alright, bye.